Hello everybody and welcome to Starside News and welcome to another Loot Anime Unboxing. I remembered the theme like yesterday, I forget it now, but I don't think that's very important. But yeah, it doesn't look like there's anything on the outside like last time, just it says Loot Anime, so we're gonna get into it. Alright, so that is crazy looking. It's, what's her, oh god, I can't remember her name now, from, Evangelion. Ava Marco? Yes. This is pretty cool. I actually really like this. Alright, next. Oh my. It's a cell phone stand. I guess we'll take a look. Okay. Not what I was expecting it to look like at all. Is this the bottom of it? I guess. I don't. Yeah, I'd have to say. Why does the back of these look so weird? See that? I don't like peeling and everything. I guess put together like this. What? Oh, I guess it's supposed to stay like that, and then just put your phone like that. That works. I don't know why I doubted it. It's pretty cool. It's another mecha anime. I haven't watched too many mecha animes. I mean, I've seen Evangelion because that's like probably the most popular, alongside like Mobile Suit Gundam, you know. And so we have a manga? Question mark? No, it's artworks. What? Looks like a manga for Gurren Lagann, but it's not. It's. I mean, the artwork's awesome though for this show. I don't think I finished Gurren Lagann. I'm pretty close to the end. I actually have his necklace. It's really cool. But I haven't finished it. And there you go. There's a little bit of fan service for you. Alright, so that's pretty cool. I like it. I always liked the art in Gurren Lagann. Alright. Alright, what the hell is this? That's terrifying. Voltron, Legendary Defender. But like, it looks like the pin like moves. We'll take a look. Netflix. Well, there's so much branding on this one. Like, there's Netflix, DreamWorks, Loot Crate. I don't even know. Is this closed? I can't tell. Take this out of here. Maybe if I can get it off. There we go. It doesn't move very much, but it does move. You see on the back it has those two little things, and you know, it moves. But it only moves enough to like reveal his eyes. I guess this is from Voltron, Legendary Defenders. I don't actually know what that is. Never seen it. It is a pretty cool pin though. Gotta say. Alright, next. we have a shirt. I always like getting the shirts. Let's see. It's a crazy looking shirt so far. Oh, is this Black Lagoon? Is that what I'm seeing? Nope. Blam. I don't know why I thought it was going to be Black Lagoon. I guess I saw that and I was like, you can't even see it like that. Yeah, so this is what we get. I'm guessing it's another mech anime. This seems to be fitting the theme of. This is a cool looking shirt though. I like it. I will probably wear it. I wish it was not this. On camera, I think it looks a little bit more like this color, like black. Maybe not. I can't tell, but it's a weird looking gray. That's for sure. All right, pin. This is a cool pin. I like this pin. Let me get it open. This is what we actually need to show about. Mech kitties. Why am I saying that? There probably is one. All like the black parts are like actually like raised out and you can feel it. It's cool. That's cool. Just in case you guys wonder, I do keep all my pins. Oh man, my pins. My phone charms in one place. There's a couple of them. I think this is all of them but the first one. Because I didn't get the first one. I was like a day late and I didn't get it. This is the box. That's really cool. Honestly, that is really cool. It's like you're coming out of like a space station or like a giant ship, you know. That's really cool looking. I like that. So like, what the hell is this thing called? I don't know. Let's find out. Rise Up. That's cool. Rise Up. Okay, we got the pen. We got the phone stand. And then we got the charm. Kitty Mecha. Yes. We got the shirt from Blam. Blame Blam. I don't fucking know, man. It's a thing. We got the Evangelion macro mini plushies. I guess we could have got either of them or any of them. I don't. There seemed to be a couple in the picture, but. And a Gurren Lagann limited edition art book. Gotta say, item's not the scale. Is it? Is it actually not the scale? Let's find that out. Oh, yeah, you're right. It's not the scale. I like how the charm's like way bigger and then like most of the other stuff's way smaller. Wait. Hold up. I think. Yeah, that's the scale. About. I would say that's fairly close, right? Not to her, but to her actual one. That's pretty damn close. Alright guys, so that's going to do it for this video, and thank you guys so much for watching.